Welcome back to our studio here in Mid-Wilshire. My name is Bill Gans, your host, and we're here today with J.R. Reed from Liberty International. And it is so exciting today to talk about the launch of this WOW Mobile. You've been telling me these things for several hours. We've been backstage and driving around LA, and I just keep saying wow. I find myself saying wow, and JR is correcting me saying, Bill, say WOW Mobile. I just can't stop thinking about how simple this is today. Everyone's looking for the convergence to come together today. They know that social media and conversational marketing and belly-to-belly marketing and distributor programs and affiliate programs are all hot today, but without overhead and with a simple low-cost entry level, and even you can earn your entry level into this program because they have a 30-day startup. It just keeps coming across to me as WOW Mobile. This deal's unreal. J.R. Reed, welcome back to the stage. We're so excited to have you here.
Well, thanks for having us, Bill. Thanks for having me.
Well, this is just a unique time. And maybe let's go into now WOW Mobile and tell us, how do we get started?
Well, if we just want to talk about a preferred customer and talk specifically about the product, I think it's very important because without the fundamentals of actually how WOW Mobile works, what are the nuances, what's the price point, how do I get mine free, what comes with it, we don't really want to get into the business model until the people understand, hey, would I buy that if there wasn't money involved? And I think, 99 out of 100 times people would say yes. So WOW Mobile, which is a division of Liberty International, is a service. It's a Tier 1 provider. That's the politically way to say that. And so we have a GSM provider right now. There's only 2 in America out of the big 4. And you have unlimited everything. Unlimited voice, originating in America or Puerto Rico. That's no caps. Then you have unlimited texting. You have unlimited internet. You have, when we say unlimited internet, that means that it acts like an air card. You can actually tether from your phone and run the internet on your computer, which of course is usually another $50 to $60 a month savings. And then you have unlimited data transfer with no caps. So that's all completely unlimited with no restrictions, no contract, no credit check, no fine print. You don't have to worry about canceling anything, getting charged for it. So completely risk-free, so to speak, for 30 days, just kind of like a prepaid mentality, all for $89.95. There are no additional fees or taxes. I know there are some other programs that offer something similar for less, but when you look at truly unlimited and then with the policy of refer 3, get it absolutely free. And then, Bill, one other thing to add to this is we have incredible international rates. So when you also talk about then the paradigm of not only getting your local domestic service for free and then being able to call the China's for under 3 cents a minute, or Japan's for 4 cents, or the Mexico City's for 2.5 cents, or Australia for 2.6 cents, or I call Thailand for around 3 cents a minute on a cell phone. That's a whole nother level of excitement to bring to people.
You know, as I look at this, you and I did this backstage, and I'm sure you do this with everybody, but I told you my unlimited cell phone service was $99, and I told you I spend $30 more for web and text, and I spend $69 for my wireless air card, and all of this comes for the $89. I thought to myself, well, if I did nothing more than just sign up and did that, that would be a massive savings to me. But then you said, well, Bill, while we were driving in the car, you called 3 major players in the industry, and you heard me talking to them. If you just signed them up, you'd be for free. And because of my 25 years in the direct selling and MLM industry, I could call the tens of thousands of people I know, and I could get them going. If I had 8, I could potentially be done. And why don't we talk for a minute? Just that simple step, to me, it was like a no-brainer. I have to switch right now, by the way. But to me, it was a no-brainer. Tell us how we get started again that way, JR.
Well, as a preferred customer, there's only, we obviously have to get the mobile handsets from Liberty, and of course they change from time to time. We always make sure that we get the best smartphones. The one here is a Android phone from a GSM provider, and it actually offers the tethering where the other regular Tier 1 provider that it comes with would not. So that gives me a whole nother $50 to $60 a month savings from actually getting it out of a retail store from one of those providers. Plus, the hardware was actually priced about $100 less than I could buy it in an actual retail store. So our customers get to save money from buying the handsets from us. Of course, it gives them all the nuances. And then, of course, the refer 3 policy kicks in. That can save anywhere from hundreds to thousands of dollars a year on their telephone service. Now, when it comes to making money, then we have a compensation package that we can talk about at a later time. But if we keep it simple right now to WOW Mobile, I guess the first question or the only question we want to address somebody is, if I could show you a way to never have to pay for your cell phone bill ever again, would you be interested?
It's a no-brainer. But if I think to myself of the functionality of cell, web, text, and tethering, I want to just take a minute because I didn't get this at first. When he said tethering, I thought, oh my God, here comes another technology, and I don't know what it means. So I played dumb and I said, I have to say, what does tethering mean? And he showed me right in the green room. He took his laptop out, took out a cell phone, connected to the web, the cell phone connected via Bluetooth to the laptop, and now he had his wireless air card. Everyone's spending $59 or $69 on their wireless air card carrier today, and they call it tethering. This, to me, was a no-brainer because now I carry one less device and I spend less. So for $89, I get my cell phone, I get unlimited text, I get unlimited email, and the tethering, which to me was $99 plus $30 plus tax and carrying, which was another $20, plus the wireless air card. So you do the math because I'm nearly $200 for $89 to get all the same. Am I crazy?
No, that's the math. I mean, there's 277 million subscribers. America talked last year about 2.2 trillion minutes on minutes alone. And so when you look at the savings from all of the tier one, the top 4 providers, and you look at the unlimited voice, and then you add up all the nuances, we easily come in under the normal price point of one of the top 4 providers. But then you have to, Bill, consider when you refer 3 and get it absolutely free. Now we've eliminated a cost altogether that people have paid anywhere from hundreds to thousands to tens of thousands of dollars over the last 10 years or so.
Liberty International went out and they got these relationships with the tier 1 providers, which are the major cell phone carriers. So they're not making up a cell phone network. They're not making a backbone up. They're not making up these transponder towers. They're partnering up with these major carriers to provide these packages. And these packages are low cost, hard hitting, and you make money with your cell phone. I thought this was crazy to me because I said, I pay my cell phone every month. How do you mean I make money? Well, when you explained to me that I not only saved money on my actual cost, but I could tell 3 people to get mine free, and then I could tell more people and make money. I didn't know a tier 1 provider or one of the major cell phone carriers that paid you. Do you know of one that does?
Well, not in this capacity. Nobody in the industry has ever had been able to correctly produce a residual income model from the cell phone industry. No one has ever done it before. And so when you look at the real raw residual income that can be generated from Liberty's incredible compensation plan, so when you look at all these elements, you've got a 10-year-old debt-free company, you've got incredible leadership, you've got the magic product, and then of course it's all residual with the world's greatest compensation plan. You put that all together, you've got an incredible home-based business that just about anybody can be successful at, of course, if they follow the formula, which is refer 3 to get it free.
The model is www.libertyinternational.net. Go there, check it out. Find a distributor, sign up, get this done, lower your cell phone, make money, get yours for free. This is a no-brainer. My name is Bill Gans, coming to you live from our studios in Mid-Wilshire. Follow us up on the next episode. We'll be right back. Be well.